How's it going? Back here. Hey, so we're gonna do a quick update for you guys. You guys recently saw the legacy feature wagon of this car, something like that. So thank you guys.
I was driving, he was shooting.
He was driving.
Switched once or twice.
You guys
drove
saw
the
the
chase vehicle to answer all the questions in the comment section.
But thank you everyone for watching the legacy feature. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You hear droning in the background, it's the heat that's on in the shop that we're in right now so we can stay warm, which happens to be where Cody works. Hey. You guys didn't know about that. And Cody, where do you work?
At a shop.
Where's that shop? Don't suck it, it's just the microphone.
I work at a shop in Polk, New York. Buy those supercars right there, insert right there. And yeah, we do cool stuff.
Where is it located again?
On 55 in New York in Polk.
What do you guys specialize in here?
Fords.
Okay. Oh, we'll drop the mic. Can you pick it up?
Oh, I'm not looking. Seeing it for field. Yeah, we do a lot of supercar stuff. We do a lot of Ford stuff, performance stuff. We have the dyno, as you can see. It's only 2 wheels, so only rear wheel or front wheel. Not the legacy. Check out the shop. We'll put their Instagram link down below. Shout out to them for letting us check over the legacy tonight here and filming this video inside. So shout out to Cody's shop. Also shout out to all you guys for picking up all the new merch that came out. Appreciate it, guys. Super supportive. You guys killed that merch drop. It was super limited. A lot of you guys got stuff, which was really cool. You guys are all sending me pictures. Continue to DM me pictures on Instagram of you receiving your merch. Not your dicks. Give your tits, but not your dicks.
Yep, see? Also posters. If you got your poster up on the wall, show us that. That'd be awesome to see. I love seeing that type of stuff. Shout out to all the designers again from that drop. Sam Piva did a lot of the designs. Sebastian Rodriguez did a lot of designs. And so did our good friends over at After Hour Supply Co. Mason, shout out to you, Mason. You killed the dad hats. Those were awesome.
Yeah, Mason. Fuck yeah. Yeah.
Speaking of merch, by the way, shout out to my friends over at Illiminate. Randy, shout out to you for hooking me up with some merch. He sent me this hat. He sent me a hoodie. He sent me stickers, air fresheners, pop socket, other shirts. Shout out to you for hooking me up with that stuff. Thank you so much. If you guys are interested in some of his merch and his channel, I will put their link down below. This is their dad hat right here that I'm wearing. Their Savage dad hat. They really
savage.
Cool. It is pretty savage. They have a pretty cool YouTube channel. Just a bunch of guys living in a house together, modifying cars. A bunch of drift cars. If you guys are into drift cars, make sure you guys follow them. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already do. They get tons of views. They have cool, really cool audience, and they make really cool videos. Go support him. He just recently crashed his car, his drift car, but he's rebuilding a new one right now. So go show him some love. Go show him some support. Make him feel a little bit better. And also check out his merch as well. So shout out to you, Randy. Shout out to Illuminate. Their link is down below as well. If you guys don't already know about them, you do now. Make sure you go subscribe. If you don't, we're not friends.
Yeah, fuck you.
Really. So make sure you guys check them out. We'll link them all down below in the description as well. But we're making this video here to let you guys know about, if you couldn't read the title already, if you didn't get about the title already, is that we're going to start to begin to modify Cody's Integra.
But he was a clown then.
Type R. The stance.
Spoon. It's got spoons on the inside.
Spoon engines.
This is Cody's Civic. What's this again? This is a Ford 4Runner.
Yeah, type R.
We're going to start to modify Cody's 02 Accord V6. It's got VTEX, something that my legacy doesn't have.
All them goddamn cracking VTEX.
VTEX. Cody, how many speeds is it?
14.
14 speeds, really?
Minus 10.
We're going to continue to do stuff to the legacy. We're going to do small changes. We have things that we want to change up this season on it. Maybe new wheels, maybe different add-ons, who knows this season. So there will still be videos of the legacy, but we're also going to be adding videos of Cody's Accord. We're going to start modifying his Honda Accord. Honda fans out there, we could finally get some stuff for you guys. We're going to hopefully see if we can maybe get it on air ride this year. Maybe AccuAero will come in and hook up his car as well. We'll see. Maybe we'll put it on rotiform wheels. Maybe we'll see. But Cody's already having stuff done to his car. It's in the works. Cody, what's currently happening for your car?
So far, we got some circuit diode headlights.
Nope, not the company.
Shit. Circuit Demon's on board. They are doing some custom headlights.
Those are the guys that did the headlights on the Legacy that you guys love in the video. I saw those comments.
They're doing some custom headlights for me, which is going to be really cool. And then got some underglow for it.
He's going to clean up the bodywork. He's going to have the bodywork fixed up, you're saying? So Cody might do some cool stuff. Maybe he'll bring in some nice JDM parts for his car. Maybe some. What do you want to do? We don't know. We don't know. What do you guys think?
We also know how much Chris spent on JDM parts last year on JDMdepot.com or some shit.
Nope, close enough. So what do you guys maybe want to see done to Cody's Accord? Do you comment down below something you guys really like to see on Hondas or on Accords? Because we're going to try to modify, get the sucker down low to the ground this year as well, get it on some cool wheels. Maybe
I used to be lower than he was. So.
Used to be. He's in a winter motor now, so that's his only excuse.
My coil's completely blown out for the past 2 years, so now we're just doing
just an excuse.
Earlier in the week, we went down to Jersey and we picked up the wheels and we kept moving forward.
Okay, so we're going to get Cody's wheels. We're going to visit our friend Sebastian, who you guys, sorry, I wanted to yell too, who you guys know already. He's done burnouts for us and helped out a lot of shoots, and you guys like and know. We're going down to his house right now to pick up wheels for Cody's Honda Acura 4-door Civic. TL with the Zwing package. So we're going to pick up wheels for Cody's Integra right now, and we're going to put those wheels on his Civic.
It's not supposed to snow until 7.
Yeah, we Gucci.
Oh my god, there are so many.
I brought more.
Oh god, please don't lose them in the car.
But in the meantime, you're gonna pick up
Some battles.
Ooh. Okay, that's what we're gonna go do. What's that up there on the thing in your window, Cody?
That's my brother, that's my sister, and that's me as a cowboy.
Wow, wow, almost killed us all right there. That was nice.
I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and the simply zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love.
That's good. Yeah, it's one of the coolest Evos I've seen, to be honest with you. Isn't that a Subaru only, Jack?
There's definitely a lot of that one goes in the back half. Toll booth. And then what?
It's a real nice tire you got there, EJ. Again,
Tired?
my favorite.
Okay. Go down and bring the last 2 tires.
My wheels.
Walking in the winter one.
I turned to the wheels. Sorry, bro, I missed it. Cody's got wheels. Or is it Cord? Not his Integra. He doesn't have Integra. Well, he might. Cody, are we back in the update video?
Yeah.
Whoa! Those are some MB battles that we picked up, and we were able to figure out what wheels we kind of want. Well, he was able to figure out what wheels he kind of wanted to put on his car by using an app that helps sponsor some parts for the Legacy Wagon called WheelCo. WheelCo is an app you guys can get on your Android, wherever you own one of those, or your Apple iPhone. What the WheelCo app allows you guys to do is superimpose basically any set of wheels you want on your car. You can change the wheel itself, the company, whatever you got. You can change the color of your wheel. You can change the dimensions of your wheel. You can make them smaller or bigger. So it's super easy to use. You go to your app store, download the WheelCo app. What I'm going to do right now is start a screen recording on my phone so you guys can see literally
It's an iPhone X, just so you know.
So you can literally see what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to start the screen recording now. So basically what you need to do on the app is go over to your photos, and you're going to want to take a photo of the car. You're going to take a photo of the car. What you're going to want to try to do is get a landscape shot of your car. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to take a landscape shot of the car so we see it from the side profile. Hopefully you guys can see this happening right now on the screen. Hopefully no bad pictures pop up. So we're going to take a quick picture of his car. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come to the app itself. Probably blurring out what you guys see right now. So there's the WheelCo app on the screen. We're going to open up the WheelCo app. And in here, it shows you basically your studio. So we're going to go into the camera roll. We're going to, this will probably be blurred because I don't know what's going to show up here. So we just selected that picture we just took of Cody's car. It's importing the image. So now the picture comes up, the one we just took of his car. So now what we could do, we can go into the wheel section on the bottom of the phone, of the menu, and we could look through all the different wheels they have in the app. And right there, they recently added the MB Battles, the one that Cody has on his car. But they have the 3 SDMs, Advan-Garde, Cosmos, Linky.
And
What's it say, Rotiform?
Rotiform.
That says Rotiform? Wow,
Yeah,
you're
here.
not getting sponsored. We're going to throw in the wheels real quick that he just recently picked up for the Accord, and this is how he determined that he wanted them. So, as you can see, they come up on the screen right here, and you can change the size. Once you change the size of one, it changes the size of both of them. You can bring them up to the car individually and kind of make them where you want them, and they'll block out whatever wheels are on your car currently. And you can kind of determine from there kind of what wheels you want to run on your car. And you don't need to worry about learning how to Photoshop or knowing how to Photoshop. You literally just download this app and it happens right in front of you. And from here you could change the color of the wheels to be, I don't know, Cody, you did your wheels orange one time? Let's make them orange.
Shut up.
I'm not letting you live that down. You could also upgrade the app into the premium version, into My Wheels, where you could go ahead and add whatever wheel you want. So if there's a wheel they don't have within the app, you can go ahead and upgrade and make that wheel become in the app so you could really test any type of wheel. You can make your possibilities endless. Cody, just for fun, let's see what a pair of Rotiform CCVs would look like. Oh, the Cody.
Wow.
Those don't look that bad. What do you think, bud?
Oh, wow.
Look at those. We just place the Rotiforms where we want them. We could change the color. We could change the sizes. Probably maybe like an 18.
Let's go with an 18.
Yeah, let's go with that. Maybe that's an 18. So you
Sure.
can see exactly what the wheels will look like on your car in real time. We did all this in a matter of seconds with no Photoshop background or, well, we didn't have to use Photoshop or anything like that. And you can go through, you can cycle through all the wheels once you're set with where the location is. And it's super easy, super cool app. Huge shout out to WheelCo for sponsoring some parts on the Legacy Wagon. If you guys want to see what type of wheel or what wheel might look good on your car, you're not sure yet, you don't have to pay someone to make a render of your car. Just download the WheelCo app, and you can add your wheels in there if you want to my wheels, or use the wheels that they have and determine what wheel will look best for your car. Super simple, super quick way to determine what's going to look best for you. And that's the WheelCo app. The link will be down in the description. You guys can download it. It's a free app. Make sure you guys check them out. What do you do?
Nothing.
With the use of the WheelCo app and determining that the MB Battle is what he wants to run on his car for the time being, before we figure out what he's going to run later on in the season, these look nice. He picked the wheels up because that's the offset and the size that he wants. He found those wheels, but they're not the color he wants. So he went through the WheelCo app and changed up the colors to be what color?
Fun metal.
So the way we're going to go about that is going through our friend Gem Powder Coating. Well, his name's Frankie, but he owns a company called Gem Powder Coating down in Toms River, New Jersey. We're going to go down there in these vlogs, you guys will see it, and we're going to watch the process of how a wheel gets repaired and powder coated and prepped and then put back on the car. Slowly but surely, we're going to see the progression of Cody's car from where it sits now. Cody, if you can get the out of the way, where it sits now to where it'll be hopefully in a few months' time, just like the Legacy happened when we did the wagon. So what do you guys think about that? Do you guys think it's a cool idea to modify Cody's car and put it on the channel? Do you guys want to see us roll out to car shows together? Do you guys want to see us make videos together at the end of the year? Do like a joint photo shoot? Do you want to see that happen? Do you want to see that happen?
I want to see that happen.
I think it'd be cool. So what do you guys, let us know in the comments down below. If you want to follow updates along the way, obviously at Krispy, and Cody's Instagram is at
cg.media.
Obviously stay up to date with the channel. Again, shout out to everybody that picked up a piece of merch. Thank you guys so much for supporting that. We're going to have another limited drop coming soon, so stay up to date on the Instagram at Krispy to know when that's going to happen and what the designs will be for the next drop. We're already kind of in the works. We got some really cool stuff, some different stuff than we've done in the past. If you guys want, there's still some stuff on the website. There's stickers, there's some odd sizes of shirts. If there's any extra smalls out there, there's some extra smalls on the website. There's air fresheners, some lighters left as well. If you guys want, you can check those out on the website, krispy.store. Link is down below. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing. Hopefully you're looking forward to Cody's build, because that's going to be happening soon on the channel. If you guys are, make sure you're loud in those comments down below. Let us know. Or maybe we'll just totally abandon the idea. Sorry.
100%, I don't care.
Shout out to Cody's shop as well, which is called
Spidey Supercars.
Woo! And we'll see you guys in